Hello, welcome to your lesson. Today we are going to dive straight in to doing a little painting together. Now I asked for your suggestions on what kind of snacks we could have. I had an idea that I would do a bowl of fruit. Some of you have said crisps, some of you have said biscuits, all sorts of things. I'm actually going to stick to my bowl of fruit because I think it's funny. Because my nomadic hiker has a bowl that she whittled herself. But I'm going to keep to those. But I would love to see some of the things that you suggested in your pictures as well. That would be awesome. So I'm just doing a banana, a couple of orange, an apple and orange, and I might move the banana over a little bit so it's not sticking up weirdly. And then we can put it like that. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll ink it in for you so that you can have a look. I wanted today to be super simple, just to show you that creating a daily habit of painting does not have to be hours long. Yes, I know so many of you are messaging and saying it was only meant to take 10 minutes and then I did another thing and I did another thing. And that's fantastic. That's great. That's called inspiration. I wanted you to see that you just have to do a little one thing a day. I'm just going to put a rock, the edge of the rock there, so that it's actually sitting on something rock-like, which means that other rock is going to be back here. Back where her other leg is. Let's do a nice bright bowl for our fruit. What color shall we do? Let's do the fruit first, okay. A nice red apple or a green apple. Using my number 3, my hand's quite close to the bristles. A little bit of green for the leaf. Lift some of that off because it was too thick. A little bit of yellow for the banana. 15 minutes, put the kettle on, cup of tea. For 10 minutes I think I said, I meant to say 10 minutes and your cup of tea is not even cold and you've done your little bit of art for the day. Your brain is happy because your brain loves to see creative things appearing. Maybe I'll go for a purple bowl. I haven't really used purple that much. Could be a terracotta bowl that she's made herself. I want it to look a little bit curved, so I'm doing these little curved lines there. It's a very small little bit of detail. Let's grab a bit of paint spray to finish off this rock. A little bit of shadow. And this bit probably is all in shadow really, isn't it? And there we have a snack. we have a snack for today, and we have been creative, and our picture is coming along so beautifully. We have two more pictures for this week. So we have the word remote and the word horizon. So let's create those over the next 2 days together.